Alright, so we did the hot wing challenge where we got to play if we were a static or an air car thing, and we had people eat a bunch of hot wings. It was mostly Dakota because we lied to him as we were doing the challenge. So I'm calling you out, Robbie. I want to see you get some of your friends together.
Oh shit, they want to call out me?
I want to see you do the hot wing challenge. See if you can survive it like we survived it, because it wasn't a thing for us.
Oh, don't even lie, dude. I saw these guys pussying out.
I don't know about you, I think it was completely fine. We do it all day. So now we're calling you out and see if you want to lie to your friends like I lied to Dakota about getting it. But hey, good luck.
Luck? Like I'm gonna need luck for hot wings? I'm gonna call Emerson right now.
Hello?
Yo, do you believe these guys actually think they can eat hot wings better than us?
Nope.
Okay, call Reese. I heard he's a pussy. Get Brad. I heard he likes to sweat. Let's get some wings.
I'll call them. I'll pick up the wings. Be your house. Right about now.
Oh, baby.
What's going on? With the camera. I'm fucking scared, dude.
Today we're gonna be sacrificing our assholes because some assholes at Fitment Industries challenged us to do this is it a hot wing challenge? Is there a name? In this box, we got the hottest, I literally called just a wing place, okay? We don't have Buffalo Wild Wings here because we suck. So I called a wing place and I said, get me the hottest wings you have. We got the suicide wings, the hottest ones they have, and then we added a little goodness to them. They smell a lot.
I don't know why.
So what we're doing is we have a bunch of cars that Fitment has sent us from their gallery. So if you guys don't know, give them the speech. The Fitment, the industry's the...
Oh, if you want to look what your car looks like on wheels, bags, coilovers, just check out our wheel gallery. Right here, top corner, I don't know, somewhere in the top corner. I think wheel right here.
5.
We'll edit wheels there so that it looks cool.
Like
5 cars?
3-piece wheels?
They sent us 5 cars that we have to guess if they're on air or if they're static. And if you get it wrong, you have to eat the hot wings. So we invited Reese, because for those of you guys that don't know, this is Reese. I don't think many of you know Reese. But apparently he's a pussy. And he really can't eat the hot foods. So we invited Reese. Emerson
I just eat hot food.
eats. I'm okay. And Brad's sweating still from a bite of hot sauce he had 2 hours ago, so it should be good. So can everybody just show what they're thinking? Oh, you guys all wrote it? What the hell, in the garage we had drawings and shit going on everywhere. I'm the only one that has a drawing?
Spell or speak. Oh. So drawing is the next thing up.
That's true, actually. Coilover. Thought everybody else had shit. This is a bag. It's a little bent. We had a bottle, alright? Tomorrow. First car from the Fitment Industries gallery.
2004 Subaru WRX.
Bagged.
Yeah.
It literally says static right there on the window.
Nice try.
Oh, I was gonna say it. Look, my hands are ready to flip
So,
too.
2, 1, air suspension. Can you believe Robbie's comment?
Did it not?
The roof was touching!
Yeah, but he said the sticker. Oh my god.
Alex, thank you. That was good.
I thought it was gonna be a trick question.
Oh, here we go.
Oh,
now
Oh, that's got mouth on it.
You have to
Wait, so it
finish
didn't have a sticker on it?
It had a sticker, but the sticker didn't say static.
Yeah.
You have to pay attention.
You're nervous.
Very.
Fired up, go. Dude, he's devouring that thing. Are we sweating yet?
Oh, he has it on the ground.
Oh no. He's shaking. Are you gonna be alright? Mm-hmm. Do you want me to wipe it off your face? You're making me sweat. Oh, I literally feel sweat right here.
You can only have milk till we're done.
So car number 2 is a 2001 Lexus GS 300.
Something
What's wrong with
is
that one?
weird here.
3,
Oh, wait, never mind.
2, 1, go. So it is static.
Yes! What'd you get? No one lost?
Nobody lost.
That's no fun. People gotta lose.
Shit.
No, like none of like the zoomed into the wheels kind of thing.
These are, all 3 of these, fantastic photos. So this is a 1992 Nissan 240SS.
Hell yeah.
Oh, see, this is hard.
2, 1, go. It is on air suspension.
Oh, fuck! Remember when you added all the hot sauce?
Yeah? Don't worry.
Robbie, can you do this?
Have you been starved?
Oh,
Can someone get Reese some water?
Three. We're about to do number 4.
Well, if we lose, if I don't get any, I'm gonna eat a wing anyways because I want to see how they taste.
I'm feeling the stomach in my tongue and my lips and my mouth. Oh.
2016 Scion FRS.
Should have got a beer.
Is that a wing?
Yeah.
That's gangster.
Fire me up!
2, 1, go. Static.
If I don't get one, can we just go until I get one? Just pull photos off the gallery.
Well,
So the next one is a 1990 Nissan Skyline. 3, 2, 1. It is on air.
I tried to get that wrong.
Emerson got it wrong.
Why do you do that?
yeah, oh, that sounded crunchy. You don't like that, do you? The cartilage? Yeah, that was an accident, wasn't it?
Just show you the next one.
Have some Fruit
Should I
Loops.
tell
Just
you
make
what
sure
it
that it's not there.
It's a 2012 Lexus CT200H.
Oh, you know what that is?
Me neither.
You're gonna find out. 1, go. It is on coilovers.
Oh.
He's trying to take after you. Did you just hear the breathing intensify? We'll fire up one more and then I'll go get it.
This one is a 2013 Scion FRS. 3, 2, 1, go. It is on air.
Yes. That's the first one I got wrong.
What's it going?
But I want to
Keep
try.
going. I'm gonna lie, these wings are good. So I said the wings are good, and I instantly feel a sweat right here. Yeah.
How bad are they?
They're not that bad.
It freezes it. Oh,
Yeah. Okay, the women want to try one, and then we're done here.
With the cheers. I'm nervous.
Yo, Reese, you gotta lick that off.
Okay, ready? Oh, you're going.
Lick it?
I definitely got the kick.
You know,
We need to try hot soup now.
oh my god.
That was pretty good.
We want to challenge somebody, but we want to challenge someone that we have faith in actually pulling this off. So,
Beacon?
this is on you, bro. You and your friends, Wings Challenge. You gotta use the Fitment Industries gallery, you gotta pull up those cars, guess and shit. Anyways, that's all we got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to follow Bobber, that way you stay up to date on when his video comes out, and you guys can see that shit too. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and stay committed.
You also didn't
Shit.
say who.
Throw a cup at it.